So the rotational shifts that we support at nmo.ai teams is, in essence, is that you can have during a week 2 days or one day that is morning, then the day after that is evening, and so on. So it will be rotating during a week. Okay, so the next week it will start over the rotational shift. So in order to add a rotational shift, you just hit two shifts. Then you click on add a shift. Okay, so let's say you name it rotational shift. Okay, and you have to choose a shift type. Let's say it's 8 hours. Okay, then you start adding the timings. So let's say I want Saturday and Sunday to be morning shifts. So I have to choose a timing that is 8 hours. Okay, that corresponds to the shift type. And just here, you can see that it's 8 hours sharp. Then you add it. Okay, so this is for Saturday and Sunday, which are morning shifts. Okay, or morning timings. Then you add another timing that is Monday and Tuesday. Okay, and you make it to be, let's say, starting from 3 in the afternoon, so 3 p.m. Okay, and ends at, let's say, 11 in the evening. Okay, 11. Okay, then you again add Wednesday and Thursday as a morning shift. Okay, or morning timings. Then you add these. Okay, so as you can see here, the member has to work in the morning for Saturday and Sunday, and on Monday and Tuesday he has to work in the evening, and then back again for Wednesday and Thursday to work on morning. So this is the way that you can specify rotational shifts. You can do so by like 2 days, or you can do so like, let's say Saturday is the morning, then Sunday is the evening, Monday is the morning, and so on. So you can follow these steps to add the rotational shift. Thank you for listening.